Hello friends, welcome to Knowledge India once again. And today I'm introducing our newly created blog to you, right? I'm really happy to share this with you. This is the URL. You will also find this URL aws-tutorials.blogspot.in. You'll also find this URL in the description below. Quickly, I'll explain why this particular blog. So the reason of creating this blog is that I have been feeling that the videos are doing good work in trying to explain with demonstration, but at the same time many of the we also need to look at many of the images or sometimes some commands or texts, and it would make a lot of sense if if we serve that at a good place. Now the description portion of the YouTube channel is not that great, in order to put any code or anything. I've got a lot of requests recently in order to put videos for the usage of CLI as well. And just sit there tight, we are coming with the videos for CLI very soon, probably before the weekend itself. Right now, quickly I'll explain you that how should you get benefited from this blog. So first of all, you might have seen that I had shared it in our on my YouTube channel, that I have shared, or I have made the calendar public. So let's see here. Let's open the YouTube channel. So you can see here I had many of the times I go ahead and I write things in the discussion section, which if you are accessing via your cell phone, you'll be able to see this, but it is not very prominent, right? So that's why what I did, I have put things now in the form of a blog, and on the right hand side you can see, let me just go here. On the right hand side you can see that you've got the public calendar of Knowledge India, and it will show all the activities or all the upcoming events. Like we have the live session which is happening on the coming weekend at 8:30 a.m. 8:30 a.m. to 9:30 a.m. on Saturday and Sunday IST timing, right? 8th April and 9th April. So very quickly, what you can do is you can just click on this blue icon and add it to your Google calendars, and hence you need not you need not come and look at this calendar again and again. As soon as we create any event, it will appear in your Google calendar, right? And on any device you'll be able to see that. In addition to that, I request you that please put your email address here and subscribe to this blog, because I'll be putting a lot of posts here, and you need not keep visiting this blog all the time. Rather, rather you will get notified, and when you find interesting, you can just come to the direct link. So I've put my first post here, so that is explained here why this particular blog, how to get started, or why this is done. If you go to the first post which I have put today, it is about helping somebody to get started. When somebody is getting started, people will have a lot of questions. Now I have created different tutorials which explain different parts of it, but I have tried to put the story here together for all of you, so that you understand how to go ahead and first create your free tier account, understand the free tier account, understand where the documentation is, and then choose the track for yourself, and then further understand the syllabus for your track and then get started, right? So in this way, there would be more focused, or I would say, with every post you will find it very properly stitched. You will find that if you're talking about S3, I'll put all the necessary S3 related videos in one particular post, right? So that's what it is. In the last, so we talked about, just to summarize, we talked about subscribing and adding the calendar to your Google Calendar. In addition to that, at the top you can see various things: our Google Plus page, YouTube channel. I write a lot of answers to the questions at Quora as well. You can go ahead and probably read that at some time if you want. Also, things are there on Twitter, and Facebook page is coming up. So I highly request you that please go ahead and subscribe here. The only intention is that if something is getting posted, you should be informed. So as I already told you in the last live session, that going forward the intent is to try and do it more like solving a problem. That's why I've given the case studies, and you can see here that I have put in detail, and I have put the case studies here in detailed manner, and you have the link as well. which you need to join. So I would request that go ahead, visit this, put a reminder for yourself, or you can just add it here, and the URL is available in these places as well. So you can go ahead and practice on these case studies, the architecting and the sysops one. Try to come with a solution, try to think on these things and design the solution on your own. And then when we get into the session, we will try to take opinion from all the participants and we'll try to come to a conclusion, right? That is how we'll work. So I wanted to update all of you quickly on this. I hope you are liking this. Please go ahead and share this with your friends so that they also can get benefited. A lot of things, even practicals or workshops and exercises are also following up, so that you can go ahead and learn things without paying to without going and spending money with with some of the training institute. That's the whole intent. So I hope you'll find it useful. Any suggestions you have, please go ahead and write it in the comment section. Thanks for all the appreciation which people have given on different videos. I hope to fulfill your requests as soon as possible. I've got a lot of requests as well, but just be patient, and I request you to practice a lot. So then only you can learn AWS and ensure that you go ahead and spread the word about this channel to everybody. Thank you guys. Bye bye. Take care.